First, I want to say hello to everyone, and on behalf of myself, Truck Centers, and all of our team members and families, we'd like to thank each and every one of you for being here this evening and welcoming the American Veterans Traveling Tribute, the Vietnam Memorial. Would everybody please rise for the presentation of the colors?
There are 58,000 plus homes where there's still a deep sorrow and pain. Lord, please bless those people. And there are 1,500 that are missing. May that mystery someday be resolved, and those families are hurting.
There are no words I can express to tell you how I feel about the names on that wall. We truly appreciate the sacrifices of those names and those families.
I want to thank you, and a special salute to our Vietnam veterans, and you can tell who they are because of what they wear, proudly, who carried freedom's torch for over a decade and passed on that example of service and sacrifice to the future generations who have fought our war since those days. Over 58,000 of them who paid the ultimate sacrifice. 8 of them were women, all nurses. This wall honors the 2.7 million servicemen and women who answered the call to protect our freedoms and way of life. In addition to the 58,000 names that you will see on the wall, over 153 service members were wounded in action. Many of them are here with us today, and we say thank you. Illinois and Missouri represented over 350,000 of the 2.7 million soldiers, airmen, sailors, Marines that went to war. They also, Illinois and Missouri, lost over 4,341 service members whose names appear on this wall, a significant contribution.
We've got people on this wall from Alton, Beckamar, from Belleville, from Bethalto, from Breeze, from Bunker Hill, from Carlinville, from Carlisle, from Caseyville, from Centralia, from Collinsville, from Dupo, a large contingent from East St. Louis, from Edwardsville, Germantown, Freeburg, Gillespie, Godfrey, Granite City, Madison, Millstock, Mascoutah, New Baden, O'Fallon, St. Jacob, St. Laborie, Staunton, Wood River, Warden, and many, many more. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. I hope the wall here and all the other memorials that are here can at least help a tiny bit toward the healing. And you'll feel God's mercy and you'll feel God's grace for all that you've been through, those that served and came back, those that served and did not come back, the MIAs, all those that were affected afterwards, the several hundreds of thousands that were wounded, and the generations of families that now have had to live with the injuries, the loss of life that were suffered there in Vietnam.
So I'll end with this. Thank you for your service and sacrifice. To you, the veterans, your families, I thank the first responders and the people who have set this up. But I will end with this. President Abraham Lincoln said that a nation that does not honor its heroes shall not endure. God bless America, and God bless our veterans.